Yeah, just call me Mr. Hoon.
Mr.
Hoon.
Hun.
Yeah. That's my last name.
Hun? Or
Yeah.
Hun?
Hoon. That's my last name. My first name is Su-Tang.
Shita?
Su-Tang.
Sutang.
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 Un.
Hindi mo yung pronounce. Sutang. You can pronounce your name. That's why we are
Stuart.
You can pronounce your name.
Yeah, you
Su-Tang?
Su-Tang.
Sutang.
Yeah, Su